Hi, everyone. Welcome to the October issue of Miss Hill magazine. I am, how do I say this? An Emmy Award winning editor in chief of Miss Hill magazine, Valicia Hill. Yes, I won an Emmy this year. I won't bore you with the details. You can go on misshill.com and read all about it. I want to jump straight into this October issue because you guys, we had so much fun putting it together. We literally LOL'd all day long. We are just so over the moon about this issue, and I cannot wait for you to read it, which is why this time I really am going to make this quick. All right, first thing first, take care of some business. Thank you for making our September issue our most read to date. You guys went ham for that one, and I am so happy. And finally, I really am 50 years old. And you'll understand why I'm saying that. I am 50 years old, everyone. No joke, no lie. No tricking. It's the truth. So, have a happy Halloween. Enjoy our October issue, and I will see you in November. Thank you. Have a good one, everybody. Enjoy.